While you're swiping through dating apps, AI is already choosing your next match. The dating app industry just crossed $6 billion, and AI is completely reshaping how people meet. Tinder, Bumble, and Hinge didn't add AI features because they're trendy. They added them because users stopped tolerating dead-end matches and copy-paste conversations. Modern AI doesn't just swipe for you. It learns what actually makes you respond. It analyzes conversation patterns. It predicts compatibility before you even match. And it's converting at rates the old algorithms never could. In this video, you'll see the exact interface designs, user flows, and AI mechanics that early-stage apps are using to compete with billion-dollar platforms. Because in the next 12 months, the apps that understand AI-driven matching will own the market. Problem 1. The swipe paradox. Here's the irony. More options made everything worse. The average user swipes 1,400 times to get one date. Your brain wasn't designed to evaluate partners at 200 profiles per hour. Traditional apps gave you infinite choice and called it freedom. But you're not choosing. You're just swiping. Problem 2. The conversation. Dead zone. 70% of matches never send a message. 80% who do ghost within 3 exchanges. You're expected to craft the perfect opener with zero context and somehow convert text into a date. Problem 3. The compatibility illusion. Dating profiles are fictional characters. Shared interests don't predict chemistry. You can both love travel and craft beer and have nothing to say to each other. Traditional algorithms match what you say you want, but your actual behavior tells the real story, and most apps never learn to read it. AI doesn't just improve these problems, it redesigns the entire system. Let me show you how. We begin with the user app of the dating AI app. When the app opens, you're introduced to an AI-powered matchmaking experience, and scrolling down shows all the key features available on the platform. From here, tapping Sign Up begins the account creation process. The setup includes basic account details, your dating preferences, your interests, and your lifestyle information. Once completed, the AI starts the matchmaking process and takes you to the home screen. After your profile is created, the home screen displays suggested profiles, including your top matches. The activity section also highlights users who have liked you, giving you a quick snapshot of interest. Next, we move to the Smart Profile Builder. Here, you can optimize your profile by improving your photos, sharing your story, adding your interests and lifestyle details, and explaining what you're looking for. There's also a More About You section for extra information. The AI profile generator inside this tool can instantly create an AI-enhanced version of your profile to help improve match quality. We then explore the AI Date Planner, where the app helps you plan a date based on your inputs. The AI recommends ideas and suggestions tailored to your personality and preferences. Next is the voice and video dating section. You can create a voice profile, discover voice-based matches, and connect with people who share similar energy or style. The app also supports video calling, letting you interact face-to-face with your matches in a safe environment. Together, these features simplify real-time communication. We then visit the Relationship Insights area. This tool analyzes compatibility between you and your potential match, showing insights on compatibility, common conversation topics, and personalized recommendations to improve your connection. And with that, we complete the user-side walkthrough of the dating AI app. There is no swiping left or right, just a simple experience where you provide your details and let the AI handle matchmaking, planning, and insights for you. Welcome to the admin panel of the dating AI app, a unified dashboard that helps you manage moderation, match quality, fraud detection, global settings, and user behavior insights, all in one place. The system begins with the AI-powered moderation dashboard, designed to safeguard the platform and maintain a secure dating environment. At the top, you can see total flagged items for the day, false positives, high-risk users, and auto-resolved cases. This live monitoring system highlights issues and ensures that inappropriate content or suspicious behavior is identified immediately. All flagged items are categorized as critical, high, medium, or low, allowing moderators to focus on the most serious cases first. Next, we move to the Smart Match Quality System, which is also powered by AI. This section displays the total matches created today, followed by the number of high-quality matches. It also shows the average match score and the overall match success rate. Below that, the system presents details of recent high-quality matches, including complete match descriptions and insights on compatibility. From here, we move to the Fake Profile Detection System. This is one of the most essential parts of a dating app, helping protect users from spam and fraudulent accounts. This section displays the total number of profile scans performed today, the number of fake profiles detected, the high-risk profiles identified, and the system's detection accuracy. You can also view recently deleted profiles and take further administrative action on them whenever required. Next is the Global Localization System. Since the app operates internationally, this section shows active regions, supported languages, total global users, and the number of regional moderators. It also covers multi-language support, cultural adaptation, time zone management, and regional compliance. This area also includes language AI performance metrics such as English accuracy, Romance language accuracy, and accuracy for Asian languages. We now move to the Billing Fraud Detection System, which monitors transactions in real time. This includes flagged transactions, chargeback fraud rate, promo code abuse, and premium feature anomalies. You can filter this data by date, fraud type, or payment method, and track suspicious transactions. This section also provides AI-driven anomaly detection and detailed insights into promo code abuse and chargeback risk by region advanced fraud detection tools, such as real-time transaction monitoring, AI pattern recognition, chargeback prevention, and promo code protection are all available here, along with export options for the entire dataset or for selected sections. Next, we move to the Analytics section. The monthly moderation analytics panel displays total flags, auto-resolved items, manual reviews, and the moderation accuracy rate. There is a weekly moderation graph and a content distribution chart that provides a visual breakdown of violation types. You can view high-risk user details and AI accuracy metrics for text, images, videos, and audio. The User Behavior Insights section highlights daily active users, average session duration, match success rate, and user retention over the last 30 days. It also includes a 24-hour engagement pattern for messages, likes, and matches. User demographics are shown by age group, and you can track the user journey conversion to understand how users move from interest to match. User retention over time, behavioral patterns, and weekly session analytics are all displayed here. This section also includes AI-powered behavioral intelligence tools, such as predictive analysis, personalization engines, and real-time optimization modules that can be configured within analytics. The next generation of dating belongs to platforms that put connection over endless swiping. AI-powered dating apps make that shift simple, intelligent, scalable, and built around genuine compatibility. At Code Brew Labs, we build platforms that do exactly that. From AI-driven matching to conversation coaching to behavioral learning, we design, develop, and deploy working AI-powered dating products that can launch within 30 days. So click the link in the description, fill out a short form, and let's design your own AI-powered dating app. One that learns from every match and conversation users are done with superficial swiping. It's time your platform gave them something better. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more insights on building real-world AI products.